With the heart of a Subaru and the soul of a sports car, the 2025 Subaru BRZ lets you connect with the road in confidence on every commute. Help elevate every ride into an exhilarating driving experience with the addition of genuine Subaru accessories. Include genuine Subaru accessories in your monthly payment plan. It's a convenient option and ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Let's take a closer look at just a few genuine Subaru accessories now available for your Subaru BRZ. You chose it for its clean, sculpted lines and sports car style. Help keep its appearance intact with genuine Subaru protection and security accessories. Engineered to precisely fit the footwell area, all-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. Door edge guards help protect door edges from dings and chips, while seamlessly blending into the door design. And door scuff protectors help keep shoe scuffs and scrapes off the inside of your doors. Mud flaps not only preserve your paint finish, but also help protect the undercarriage from rust and corrosion, help minimize water, dirt, and mud spray, and prevent minor road debris from kicking up behind your vehicle. Our new USB charging cables allow you and your passengers to quickly charge mobile devices. Packaged in a Subaru-branded storage case, the set of 4 USB charging cables are designed in signature Subaru blue and offer superior quality and durability compared to typical aftermarket cables. With its interior features, including a rear seat back that folds down, you'll have some extra space to store more gear when you need it. Genuine Subaru comfort and convenience accessories will help you get ready for the road so you can rely on a refined ride. The cargo net neatly holds your cargo and helps prevent it from sliding while the vehicle is in motion. The cargo tray helps protect the trunk area from sand, water, stains, dirt, and other messes. Plus, the tray surface also helps reduce the shifting of cargo while driving. And the sunshade helps reduce the interior temperature of your BRZ up to 40 degrees, ideal for warm weather rides. The upgraded mirror accessory offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from headlight glare. It can be programmed to operate select home functions and also features an 8-point digital compass. Elevate your pulse to match the performance of the Subaru BRZ. Genuine Subaru STI accessories will help you heighten every driving experience. STI underspoilers give the BRZ a mean, ground-hugging look along the front, the sides, along the left and right rocker panels, and the rear of the vehicle. And STI mud flaps, available in black or signature STI cherry red, not only serve as a protective barrier between the tires and wheel well, they also add to the style of the vehicle. With a cherry red finish and STI logo, the STI starter switch adds to the sporty appearance of the interior. The STI flexible V-bar provides improved steering response, stability, and handling when cornering, without sacrificing ride quality. On every road or track, your Subaru BRZ is designed to turn heads. Draw even more attention with genuine Subaru-style accessories and make a statement of your own. The rear bumper diffuser adds a sculpted, finished appearance and also helps direct airflow. The gloss black fender vent accent intensifies the aggressive design of your BRZ. And the exterior graphics kit adds a statement that separates you from the crowd. With its sleek, low-profile design, the trunk spoiler adds just the right amount of attitude to the rear of the vehicle. Elevate the interior illumination with a soft blue glow with the footwell illumination kit. And add to the exterior styling by projecting a silhouette of the BRZ vehicle onto the ground when the door is open. Genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories will help keep your pets safe and comfortable on every commute. Here are a few from this collection. For your canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed can be used as a car seat to help keep your pet safe during any road trip. Buckle up your dog in a crash-tested, Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. And don't forget the pet travel bowl, so you can bring along food and water for your pet. Thanks for coming along to see just a few genuine Subaru accessories that are now available. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant and learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories for your Subaru BRZ. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.